peeps, welcome on back here to the old Let Her Rip Fishing YouTube channel. I appreciate y'all clicking on. We're breaking out of here finally. After 3 pretty hard weeks of ice and snow and single digits and negative temperatures and all that good stuff. Finally, I think today's 30 degrees, so I'm busting out of here. We're gonna go try to get some fish caught. I'm having withdrawals here, fish withdrawals, and so it's 30 degrees. I think high today is going to be like 40 or something. So heat wave going on. So I'm just here getting everything hooked up and getting out of here, man. It's I don't even know what time it is. 5 o'clock. So we'll get out of here, get to the boat ramp, and see if we can't find us one of them green fish to play with. Stay tuned. Alright guys, well, we made it here to the ramp. First one in, looks like. Got the boat unloaded in the water. Now we'll go down here and get rods out and get ready to go. Wait, as you can tell, it's still pretty dark out, so we'll give her a little bit here before we head out, but we'll go get the rods out and get everything ready to go. All right, let's get this day started. Started out here at a spot I've never fished before, so we'll see how that works out. It'll either be good or it'll be bad, I guess. Pretty simple to figure out. Start off with the rig here. See what happens, guys and gals, and hopefully we can catch us some dang bigs today. Sick of being cooped up in that house for the last 3 weeks. Drove me nuts. There we go, finally. There we go. Get him. There we go. On the A-rig. Let's see if you're 15 inches or not here. I don't think you are, but you might be. Let's take a quick peek. See if you're good for the old turn or not. Alright, well, let's get this little guy back. I appreciate you, buddy boy. Oh, what are you doing? There you go. Alright, well, she wasn't quite 15, but that's alright. Finally got us one on the old A-rig. Only took us a couple hours. Alright. Good deal. Well, let's get back at it and see what happens. Maybe we can get us another one out of this little pocket here. No, you get it pretty good and solid, so that's a good note. That's a good sign. There we go. Oh, hooked up. There we go. Took it. Dang, he swallowed that son of a gun. Holy crap, buddy boy. Is you hungry? Gee whiz. Okay, no, you're good. Just let me go it, so. Heck yeah. Finally. Number 2. Boy, nothing like taking forever to catch a damn fish around here. Jeez. Yeah, we better get a picture of this baby too, hell. Alright, buddy boy. I appreciate you a ton. You guys know this stuff's a tough day right here. Alright, appreciate you, buddy. Excellent. Yeah, we got this one finally. The white bass. Big white bass. Big old white bass, man. Well, quite what we was looking for, but hell, I'll take it. Come on out there. Oh, come on now. There you go. That's a good one there. That's a pretty good one. Which is a bass instead of hello sucker, but that's alright. We'll take him. Not too bad, not too bad. Fish number 3. See you, buddy. Alright. Fish number 3 on the A-rig. That's all we can catch them on, it seems like. Just the A-rig. There we go. Yeah. Good, man. Last scoped that little jewel. Thank you, buddy. Ducks are loaded up with them here. So they are. Oh, there we go. Man, that's a hard hit too. Nice. Damn, I wish these were keepers. Oh, yeah. God damn it. Alright, buddy. Appreciate you. I'm like floating right back over the top of your fish. See you, buddy. Damn it. Can't stand that. Alright, let's just try the jerk bait for a while, see what happens. Haven't thrown it for a little bit. See if we can get something on it. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oops. There we go. Perfect. Oh, dang, little buddy. I'm sorry. Got you right in the damn eyeball. Damn, let's try to get that out of there without messing you up, but there. Thank goodness. Alright, I appreciate you, buddy. Sorry about that. Going right in the eyeball. Alright. Thank you, buddy. First one on something besides the darn A-rig. Nice. Alright guys, well I think we'll call it a day. Got the boat all loaded back down, hooked up, ready to go. I think put it away. So all in all, it's a pretty good day. We started out there about 7:30 and it's 20 after 2 now. So I don't know what I think we ended up with what, 6 fish, which to me was pretty good. Considering just 2 or 3 days ago everything was iced over. It was single digits and negative digits and everything else. So boat ramp is full, of course. Then there's another lower level down there, but it's full. There's a lot of boats on the water today, so which is good. I mean, everybody's sick and tired of being stuck in the house, so everybody hit the water. But we're gonna take off today. I think, like I say, six is what we had. It wasn't biting just great, but shoot, I had no complaints from me. I think we caught them all. What, caught 5 on the A rig and 1 on the jerk bait, so it's a little bit of variety. But shoot, I'm happy we got to go. So I appreciate you guys clicking on the video. Stay tuned. We got 2 tournaments coming up there pretty darn soon, so I'm gonna try to get out here one more time, do a little pre-fishing, and then we'll have back-to-back weekends of tournaments. So y'all stay tuned for that. If you like what we're doing here, just hit that like button, subscribe. I appreciate it, guys. Thank y'all.